Ready to take control of your financial future? In this guide, in this video, we'll walk you through how to effectively integrate the infinite banking concept into your financial plan. From assessing your current situation to choosing the best policy structure. And don't forget to check out our flagship video, the Save and Spend presentation for a comprehensive foundation. Welcome back. Today we're diving into the step-by-step process to start implementing the infinite banking concept into your financial life. By the end of this video, you should have a clear roadmap to begin leveraging this powerful system. And of course, if you're new here or you want to understand the underlying strategy, then you've just got to check out our other video, the Save and Spend system. It's a great foundation for understanding how to use your money in a smarter way. The first step to assessing where you currently stand is to review your income, your expenses, your debt, and any existing savings or investments. Understanding your cash flow helps you determine how much money you can comfortably redirect into your infinite banking policy. Remember, this step sets the stage for your financial system for building this thing effectively. The next thing you want to do is research and select a whole life insurance policy with the right structure. Now, you've heard me talk about this before. You'll absolutely want one that maximizes cash value growth from the beginning, and that cash value growth has to be liquid. Then you'll need flexibility in that policy for your policy loans. My advice is just to make sure that you're working with an authorized infinite banking practitioner who understands the nuances of setting up a policy that aligns with your goals. That first is the key to long-term success. You won't get very far if you're using the wrong style of policy. Now, once you have your policy, it's time to fund it strategically. Consistent, well-planned contributions are essential for building cash value efficiently. Think of this as your save phase, or sometimes people call it your capitalization phase, where you legitimately put your capital into a system that's going to grow and work for you over time. A lot of times we talk about the uninterrupted, constant compounding that infinite banking, whole life insurance policies give you. So you've got to understand that if you'll have constant compounding for the remainder of your whole life, that the very first day is not quite as good as your very last. Now, here's where infinite banking shines. Using policy loans to achieve your financial goals. Whether again, it's paying off your debt, funding a really big purchase, cars or houses, doing your investing, your money keeps working for you while you're borrowing against it. Remember, taking a policy loan means that you're borrowing from the policy's value, but your policy will keep earning interest for all the money that you've deposited. It's not a system where you're going to deposit money and then immediately come back and do a withdrawal to make your purchases. No. It's a system where you deposit the money into the policy and then borrow against what you've put in, the death benefit collateral. So now you can use that money, the insurance companies, OPM, for any of your needs. And that's the magic of infinite banking. Lastly, you'll want to maintain your system and make adjustments as needed. So regular reviews with your practitioner will help you keep your plan aligned with your evolving goals. As life changes, new expenses, different income levels, you'll want to revisit your strategy to ensure it's still working optimally for you. So that's my 5-step guide to getting started with infinite banking. Now, if you found this video useful, then hit the like button and subscribe for more insights. And of course, remember to check out our flagship Save and Spend system video because it ties everything together. If you've got questions, drop them in the comments. And don't forget, infinite banking is more than a concept. It's a lifestyle shift. Happy banking.